Venus Ramos.
PTM Falcons! Ayan, nakapagpahinga na ba kayo after ng intrams natin? Nakaget over na ba? Ayan, so today, ngayong umaga, we will award the winners, yung mga magagaling at mga talentado nating mga estudyante sa Agham. Ito ay bilang parte ng pag-celebrate ng Science Month last September. So, once na tinawag po ang mga pangalan ng mga bata, ay maaaring lumapit dito, umakyat sa ating stage. At tinatawagan din po namin ang aming mahal na principal, Sir Echevarri, Sir Aris, and Ma'am Eunice para po sa pagbibigay ng mga certificate. Okay, ang unang po nating category ay for Certificate of Recognition for Poster Making Contest, Individual Category. So, Poster Making Contest, Certificate of Recognition is awarded to Daniel P. Tolentino from 12 STEM for having placed first place, individual category. Second place, poster making, individual category, Rian A. Silang from 8 Banaba. Third place, poster making contest, individual category, Marian Monique I. Ramo. At ang susunod naman ay poster making for group category, Nicole F. Supetran from 10 Diamond. And Jasmine Samson from 10 Diamond. First place. At nagkuha mo ng second place, muna po kayong bumaba para isang picture na lang. Okay, second place, poster making group category, Kim Oblanca from 10 Carnelia. Rodrigo C. Crelyamas Jr., 10 Carnelia. Third place, poster making group category, Brian Vladimir from 11 Gastri and Marlon J. Parubrov, 11 Sport. Brian Vladimir and Marlon. Okay, picture mo muna. Next, narito naman po ang mga mag-aaral na nanalo para sa Science Quiz B for grade 7 to grade 2. Cyril M. Bartolo. Second place, Linel R.K. P. De Los Santos from 7 SS. Third place from 7 SSC, Maxine Cha and Lagura. Okay, and for the winners for Science Quiz B, grade 8, first place, Francesca K. P. Taas from grade 8 SSC. Second place, Lian R. Rosano from 8 SSC. Third place, Science Quiz B, Jansen Troy R. Diaz from 8 Gumamela. 8 Gemelina, sorry. Jansen Troy Diaz from 8 Gemelina. And for the winners for Science Quiz B, grade 9, first place, Chloe Natalie S. Rabinera from 9 SSC. Second place, Jen Gil and Asunch Onggon from 9 pieces. Aumon, Jen Gil and Aumon from 9 pieces. ISIS. Third place, John Raymond P. Pangaliban from 9 Libra. And for the winners from Science Marie D. Vallador from 10 Garnet. Third place, Akisha H. Mendoza from 10 Emerald. And for the grade 11 winners, Quiz B, first place, Aaron Kane M. Vivar from 11 STEM. Second place, Franch A. Evangelista from 11 STEM. Third place, from 11 STEM, April B. Garcia. First place, Daniel P. Tolentino from 12 STEM. Second place, from 12 STEM, Isaac P. Cabotaje. Third place, from 12 STEM, J. Mart Dave B. Alvarez.
Oh, parang pageant. Wala kasi, kaganda-gandang babae, hindi magmitingin.
From 7 Science class. 7 Science. Second place, Charles Ken M. Kakak from 7 SSC. Third place, Sanisha Lorraine T. Samuan from 7 SSC. Winners for Biotechnology Quiz B. First place, Lian R. Osano from 8 SSC. Second place, Francesca K. P. Taas from 8 SSC. Third place, Jeremy V. Ramos from 8 SSC. Winners for Applied Chemistry Quiz B. First place, Chloe Natalie S. Rabanera. Second place, Arkinjas R. Third place, Princess Jillian T. Apiado from 9 SSC. Ang tako na po dito. Grade 7 from grade 7 SSC, Kane Nigel F. Labrador, first place. Second place, Dana Kathleen S. Gasiles from 7 SSC. Third place, Science Trivia from 7 SSC, Linel Arky P. De Los Santos. Grade 8, from grade 8, Leon R. Osano, first place. Second place, grade 8 Gemelina Johnson Troy Diaz. Third place, Cyril May M. Pama from 8 Mahogany. First place, for grade 9 Science Trivia, J.R. Y. Enano from 9 Aquarius. Second place, John Dominic Cabello from Pisces. Third place, Bill Ray Joseph from 9 Leo. And for grade 10 Science Trivia, first place, Kashmir A. Belido from 10 Carnelian place. Second place, Runner S. Balagtas from Tech Garnet. Third place, Melvin James I. Escares from 10G. Science trivia winners from grade 11. First place from 11th STEM, Aaron Kane M. Vivar. Second place, Rafael Herbert C. Montoya from 11th STEM. Third place, Julian Bernardine A. Di Maano from 11th STEM. And for grade 12 science trivia, first place, Daniel P. Tolentino from 12 STEM. Second place, Kurt Bill Villarde from 12 STEM. Third place, Isaac P. Cabotaje from 12 STEM. And those are the winners for the Science Spelling Bee. Jonel A. Shoemaker. Second place, Leona Janine V. Ginto from 7 SSC. Again, this is are the winners for the Spelling Bee from 7D, Jonel A. Shoemaker, first place. Second place, Leona Janine V. Ginto from 7 SSC. Third place, Gino M. Aguilar from 7 Bougainvillea. For grade 8, first, Leon R. Osano from grade S SSC. Second place, Josquin Marcos M. Bongo from 8 Ipil. Third place, Cloud Jedray R. Asuncion from 8 Gemelina. Third place. And for grade 9 Science Spelling Bee, first place, Make Mar S. Fabe from 9 Capricorn. Second place, Zaren Lynn G. Sala from 9 SSC. Third place, Charmiel D. La Rosa from 9 Aquarius. For grade 10, Science Spelling Bee, first place from 10 Cornelian, Jefferson E. Alice. Second place, Lawrence A. Garcia from 10 Amethyst. Third place, Lizelle Hernandez from 10 Onyx. Grade 11 winners for Science Spelling Bee, first place, Rafael D. Roldan from 11th STEM. Second place, Kate P. Umbra from 11th STEM. Third place, Demery K. Ann S. Peralta, 11th STEM. And for grade 12 winners for Science Spelling Bee, first place, J. Mark Dave V. Alvarez from 12 STEM. Second place, Daniel P. Tolentino from 12 STEM. Third place, Kurt D. Villarde from 12 STEM. And these are the winners for the Saito experiment. First place, 7 special science class, Rainbow Bouncy Raw Egg experiment. Second place, from 11 STEM specialist, exothermic chemical reaction. Third place, from grade 11 STEM specialist, chemical reactions. Okay, ito po yung mga grupo na natawag. And for science jingle, first place is from 8 special science class. Science jingle. Specialist.
Lahat, punta kayo lahat doon. Lahat, dali. Lahat, science jingle.
And for the winners,
Bilisan nyo. Bilisan. Dali. Shh, bilisan.
Computational Science from 10 Amethyst, Mark Vincent Abordaje. Third place, Jeremy V. Ramos from 8 SSC. Okay, congratulations to all the winners at sa ibang mga students. Meron ka po next year. O, mag-review na ngayon pala. Pakibalik doon po yung mga walang perma, yung nanalo ng Computational Science. First place!
Organized cleanest class.
So, hindi na po kasama dito yung mga science section ng mga advisors ng science po. So, first place for the search for cleanest and organized room goes to 7 Bougainvillea. Tinatawagan po namin yung advisor ng 7 Bougainvillea. Ma'am Hazel. Or yung president po. Class president. Wait, Ma'am Hazel. First place for grade 8, search for cleanest and organized classroom goes to 8 Eucalyptus. Parang naglinis yan araw-araw. Okay. Ano po dito yung president ng 8 Eucalyptus?
President,
And for grade 9, search for cleanest and organized class goes to 9 Aris. For grade 10, ang may pinaka-organized na classroom goes to Amethyst.
Ayun na, advisor.
Grade 11, cleanest and organized classroom goes to 11 Yungs 1. Kay Ma'am Melay. Grade 12, cleanest and organized from 12 p.m. 12 a.m. Again, congratulations po sa mga students together with their supportive advisors, subject teachers sa successful conduct po ng ating Science Month for 2025.